That's ice, baby.
It's 39 degrees.
39 degrees?
We're in Antarctica.
Oh my gosh. Sleeping last night was a real hoot in that tent. Can I see that tent, Jones? Open that window. Heck, that's a tent.
She was so far gone. She was drowning in the wind.
We're going on a mission to get some blankets for the next night. Or we will.
Go juice.
I literally thought Jones was gonna freeze to death.
It was actually really warm.
You good?
I'm sure. I don't get cold.
Let's go.
I don't get cold.
So this is our tent from last night. No top at all. We went and just snagged our top. Oh, my pillows gotta go in there too. You know, I like a good cold pillow, but this is a little extreme. And this is the after. Oh, Jones, your big noggin's on the tent. So we learned that we have a mat. Look at that little welcome mat. We actually got the roof on. It looks beautiful, looks tight. We made sure we strapped the tent down the correct way instead of just sticking the perimeter into the ground. And our neighbors still like anime. So that's pretty jazzy. Went to your house and all that jazz. You know, we came back, it's 8:30, so it's not like early. And we're in like, this is crazy. This is different.
It's a freaking ghost town, man.
It's a ghost town. It's good to get up early though. Get up early and grind, you know, but the early bird does not get the worm in this scene.
No worms here.
No worms I see on the ground.
What if we are the worms?
Oh, ow! How could you throw that? Yeah. Oh. Suck. Yes. Our friend Patrick. There he is. That's not the pinky. You didn't do the pinky. Do the yeah, there you go. We're repping the Vending Machine Bandits, dude. Jones.
What's up?
We've been standing here for a good minute.
It's been like 5 minutes.
Who are we waiting for?
The Vending Machine Bandits.
The Vending Machine Bandits. Yes, sir.
Main attraction.
On the big stage with our boy Daniel Abraham, the one and only Music Man. I cannot wait. It will be a fantastic turnout today. What do you have to say, Jones?
I'm excited. It's a lot warmer than it was last night, so it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice.
All right, for sure. Go ask one of those women out over there.
Good.
All righty. Man, the myth, the legends up on stage. Jones, are you ready for your brain to be blown?
I don't have a brain. No.
Yeah, my woman just as long as she lead. You mess with her, you'll see me.
Look at that squad. Yes. You guys play like amazing, bro.
How you doing, bro?
You guys rock top 9 up there.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Go for it. Sorry, did I hit you in the face?
Oh, no, it's fine.
You just saw the greatest band ever play. What are you thinking right now inside of that tummy of yours?
Oh, my tummy's empty.
Your tummy's empty? Mine is very empty.
But
You might need to go get snacks from the tent site.
Nah, I mean,
All
if
right.
you want to.
I kind of do real quick.
I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my days.
Is there something else you're searching for?
the whole festival. And here's Danny. You can hardly see him.
Of the Vending Machine Bandits.
Oh yeah. Who is playing?
Riley Green.
Riley Green's playing right now, and he looks like a blast. So we're missing him from the VIP
Yeah.
or whatever. A little bit of backstage.
It's weird seeing how all this is.
Man, this is way too fun.
Macho's missing out.
He is.
Yeah.
Dude, he's missing out big time.
Holy sh**, that's a lot of people.
Cool.
Found me somebody, made me cash money. Temporary Kimmel line.
My boy Pat.
Cheer the loudest for whoever the best player is, and they get to be in the band. Everybody else gets fired tomorrow. Jake, you're up first, no pressure. Jake, come on, Jake. Rob Joyce, everybody. On bass guitar with the mohawk, Mr. Alejandro one time.
Oh my god.
That's right, nobody cheered for the bass player ever anyway.
Oh.
I've been telling these guys for years, all you gotta do to win this competition is go. They don't know how to play that song, so we're gonna give them one more shot, one more round. You cheer as loud as you can for whoever is the best player, and I'm gonna fire whoever the worst player is on the spot.
They're still doing this. Oh my god, this is crazy, man. Oh.
Rob, you got some big shoes, buddy. What you got? All right, Alejandro, you gotta do something crazy, man. You're a bass player. There's nothing cool about bass players, so here we go. Florence, Alabama, one of my great buddies with the big muscles with the Quinn Stanfield. Do something good, buddy.
That's enough of that.
God bless Alabama from sea to Tennessee. I'll rest in peace if they bury me in Dixie.
I can't see you. You're not in frame. Is the light even on? Jeez.
Don't blind the man. Jeez.